Hello people, see what nature has just blessed me with this morning. For some days now, I haven't been to my garden, this part of my garden. So I said, okay, let me visit to see how my crops are doing. And voila, take a look at what I found. I found this cucumber. This is 100% organic. Yeah. So amazing. And I turned around, I said, let me go and check if I can still see more. This one is not ready yet. I have some grass to pull off like this, just weed it. And take a look, just take a look at the wonders of God. I still have small ones growing up. I need to lift it, but